Ladies and gentlemen, hello everybody. Thank you very much for the invitation. I'm delighted to be here again. I am currently witnessing firsthand how wildly our world is changing in the healthcare sector thanks to AI and digitalization. And by wild, I don't mean chaotic. I mean vibrant, bold, and full of energy. Things get wild when ideas, new technology, and human curiosity collide. We are in the middle of a tremendous transformation. Digitalization, AI, and new forms of networking are changing the way we recognize, treat, and ideally prevent diseases. This revolution is also reshaping the way we think. Artificial intelligence has long been a part of our everyday lives. In diagnostics, for example, it helps radiologists detect tumors or stroke more quickly. In healthcare, it facilitates documentation, relieves nursing staff, and creates more time for what truly matters, people. In prevention, AI-supported data analysis helps identify health risks and earlier, before disease develops. The prospects are immense. AI applications offer new ways to treat people in a much more targeted and personalized manner. They optimize communication, increase efficiency, and improve overall care. At the same time, AI has the potential to reduce red tape. And in Germany, we talk about streamlining processes a lot, but we struggle with implementation. But in Bavaria, this is no longer a distant vision of the future. Much of it is already reality. These developments, however, must not remain isolated cases. They need to be delivered across the country. I want everyone to benefit from digitalization, especially in the healthcare sector. In practical terms, this means creating more time for personal care. Technology should ease workloads and provide support, but people must always remain at the heart of healthcare. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, Bavaria is a leading hub for technology. We have already made significant investments in AI. Our goal is to further advance research, early detection, and medical care through AI. Our best examples are the three winning projects of our 2024 funding call, Women's Health and in AI, which we will support for 3 years with a total of 9 million euros. The first project is DENSE-BAVARIA, which focuses on the early detection of breast cancer and cardiovascular diseases. This project aims to eliminate the need for contrast agents in MRIs by using AI. GoTwin, our second project, is dedicated to the topic of ovarian carcinoma. Thanks to an AI-supported digital 4D twin model, surgeries can be planned more effectively, unnecessary interventions can be avoided, and patients' chances of survival can be increased. Finally, the EndoKI project aims to improve the diagnosis and care of women affected by endometriosis. An AI-supported ultrasound device enables more personalized imaging. All successful digital applications are built on one foundation: high-quality, accessible, and trustworthy health data. Yet we still face significant limitations in this area. Data is often fragmented, as we heard. Access is complex and standards are lacking. This is exactly where the European health data space comes in. The EHDS is creating a European ecosystem for health data. For Germany, this means implementing the regulation quickly and, above all, in a practical way. Bavaria is moving fast. Together with the Ministry of Science, we are developing our Bavarian Health Cloud. Our goal is very clear. We are creating a secure, high-performance health data space in Bavaria. We want scientists, doctors, experts, and companies to be able to use health data responsibly for first-class research and the development of AI in healthcare, with the ultimate aim of improving patient care. Seamlessly integrating our Bavarian Health Cloud into the European health data space is crucial to achieving this. Ladies and gentlemen, when we look at global developments, it becomes clear that we are living in turbulent times. This is not always easy, given the significant certainty it brings with it. Yet amid this turbulence, there are also many positive forces: the power of renewal, the courage to change, and the opportunity to break new ground. This is my message today. If we harness this energy with Bavarian pragmatism and scientific excellence, our country will emerge stronger. As for Bavaria, I can say, we are ready when you are. So I wish you 2 more wonderful days here in Munich. Thank you very much.